mile. And I now realize I forgot my tripod. Oh well, here we go. So, what started off as a vlog has slowly become more of a tutorial, I guess. I am heading off to a spot where I took my very first photo that I ever printed. And there's a few things that I would have changed about that when I took it the first time that I didn't know how to do. So I figured today would be a good day to head over there and show you what I'm talking about. Now, the last time that I was here was well over a year ago. I believe it was December, maybe January last year. And it certainly didn't look anything like it does now. But we'll see what we can get. Anyway. Apologies if there's some very loud geese. I'm not 100% sure if these guys are going to let me across there or not. If I don't make it, this is why. These guys are crazy. And this is about the time of year that they're starting to make nests and, lay eggs and stuff. So, but they're batshit crazy. All right. Now this tree right here is what I'm coming to photograph. Some of you might be familiar with that picture. Anyway, we're going to try something called focus stacking. And I'm going to get set up. We'll get set up with the other camera and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Essentially, what we're going to do is shooting at 2.8, shallow depth of field. And I want the entire image in focus. So we will focus from the closest spot in our picture. Take a photo. Focus on the midsection of our picture. Take another photo. And then focus way off in the distance and take another photo. Now, we'll get all of those back home and put them in Lightroom. I will show you what we have. The point of today's video was, I suppose, just to actually get out and start doing something again. Sorry for the wind. It turned out to be a tutorial, somewhat of a tutorial. Basically what you're doing is, when you're taking your photos, you're focusing on various parts of your photo to make sure that it's crisp all the way across. Here, let's see if I can show you here in the video. I don't know how wet it is down here. So essentially, how you can see here, we have the foreground in focus. We would take a picture. Then we would move up somewhere toward the middle, take another picture. And you can go on and on until absolutely everything is in focus. Well, I'm not sure exactly how the tutorial is going to turn out for today, but it was nice to get out and vlog again. It has also made me realize that I'm extremely out of shape. I need to work on that. Anyway, thanks for watching. If there's any sort of value in there whatsoever, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, whatever. Leave a comment. Maybe we'll do another one sooner than later, if you made it this far. And if I could just throw a simple reminder out there to, if you are out taking pictures or video in nature and parks and stuff like that, I'm sure all landscape photographers would appreciate you to kind of follow the leave no trace thing. If you drop something, pick it up. Anyway, on that note, I'll leave it there. Everybody stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.